So this is now on follow. It is far, and it's also medium. But this is sort of the thing, you need to be aware. And there's now a runner here, so I'm just going to hang about here. But when you do your turns, make sure there's enough space behind you so the drone can swing around and follow you around. So I'm doing 5 miles an hour, and you can see it doesn't really, it sort of runs out of steam when you go a little bit faster. But it's pretty epic, you know. It's I'm doing a recording here now via my phone, and I can sit a bit, and I can enjoy a bit of cruising. Pretty nice, pretty nice. But yeah, the interesting thing is it really tracks exactly where you walk. So or the route that you follow, so it doesn't cut across. It's just an interesting way that how it does it. So when you go around the tree, it follows that same route around the tree. It doesn't cut underneath the tree or closer or anything like that. But this sort of just shows a little bit more of the distance that it can track. Doing 8 miles an hour, probably go a little bit quicker. But we can go a little bit quicker to the other side, so I don't want to catch up with this runner. Here we go. Stop. So that was now a good example of someone actually coming around the corner on his bike, and I'm able to basically just stop the drone, land it in my palm. It doesn't ask questions. Do you want to land? Are you sure you want to land? It just lands. Boom. You can hold your hand underneath it and it just lands. So it takes away the thing that people go like, oh, well, you know, this guy's not flying a drone and it causes trouble and I'm getting annoyed and this and that, the other. Okay, so let's see how quickly this thing can track. So 11 miles an hour, 12. See, it actually keeps up. 12 miles per hour. 13, 14. So I think sort of by about 15, it sort of starts losing focus. I'm just going to wait for there's a little section here in the front that is nice and clear. I just want to give this runner a bit of space. And also, just a reminder, when you fly like this, there's no obstacle avoidance from the front, even with the camera tracking you. There's also no return to home, because the return to home was like way back. This is purely tracking. But then again, you know, because the drone is so light, if it crashes into something, it's not going to destroy it, because the speed is low and the weight is low. So where's this guy? He's actually made some good progress. Now I'm going to go to the other side. So I'll turn around, and then it stops in one place. So let's go. Give it some time to pick up, and then I'm going to go 12 miles an hour, 13, 14, 14, 15 miles an hour. So it still tracks really well at 15 miles per hour. But you can see I'm getting quite far and I'm quite small. That's 16 miles an hour. Still trying to keep up. This is a calm morning. There's a slight breeze. And this is going to be, see, I start losing it. So yeah, just be aware of it, that it's going to be, can only track up to a certain speed. But how cool is this? You know, if you want some footage and you don't want to use a Insta 360, then this is pretty nice. Specifically, if you can fly with your phone, so you can just buy the drone and 2 additional batteries if you need some extra flying time. How cool is this? You know, I'm super impressed. You know, the stuff just works. That's sort of the key thing. I'll go around here checking out for people. But yeah, for if you want high-speed tracking or that high-speed experience, then the Insta360 is still by far the best. But if you like drones, you want to do something a little bit different, then this is pretty cool. So I'll stop here. Boom. Woo! See, that's sort of the other thing. That if you fly fast and you stop, if you set it at far, it doesn't fly into you because it needs some time to actually brake as well. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this little video of follow tracking on the EUC, and you can see now 15 miles per hour. That's pretty much the top speed of this little thing, this little boy. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.